welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix this critical error message when you click on the start menu. As you can see, it gives me no other option but to sign out. If I go down to the bottom left hand corner, the whole start menu just won't open. So in this video, I will be showing you two ways to fix this error. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You then need to click on Settings. Just move the window out the way to the top left hand corner. You now need to click on Update and Security. And you now need to click on View Update History. And you now need to uninstall the latest update. I found that this update here, KB4505903, is the update that is causing me the issue. As you can see, I did install it the other day and then I uninstalled it because I got the start menu error, and then it's installed again today and I'm getting the start menu error again. To uninstall this update, all you need to do is click on Uninstall Updates, and you now need to find the update, which is there, and then just press Uninstall and press Yes. And with a bit of luck, this will work for you. If this isn't the latest update that you have installed, but you have done an update recently, I do recommend you uninstall the latest update you have done and see if that works for you. And with a bit of luck, it will. But if it still isn't working, don't worry, there is still something else we can try. And that is to go down to the bottom left hand corner of our screen and right click. You now need to click on Task Manager. If you can't open up Task Manager from the bottom left hand corner of your screen, then you can go Control-Alt-Delete and open up Task Manager that way. You now need to go onto File and go Run New Task. And you now need to type in PowerShell. And we now need to click on Create this task with admin privileges and press OK. You now need to copy the text that's in the description below and go Control and V, and you now need to press Enter. And with a bit of luck, this will fix your problem. Unfortunately, this method didn't work on my machine, but the first method did. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope it helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.